Smeg range cooking. It's a superb product, very, very premium. With this range of Victoria products, I think it's designed to look a little bit more traditional with the upstand and the gas tap type knob controls. But the quality of these products is superb. You know, metal taps. It just feels so nice. Everything opens and closes so smoothly. Easy clean glass on the ovens, very easily removed for cleaning the external glass. To make this product more popular, they now offer induction tops. Traditionally, range cooking has always sold very well as dual fuel, gas top and electric down below. Now we're finding more and more people looking at the induction product. Induction tops are very, very quick, they're very easy to keep clean, and they're super safe. These products come in 90 centimetres. This is a 1 metre, where the tall oven is just that bit wider, and I think actually much more usable, and in the 110. Everything about them is quality. They look good, they feel good. So on the 110, we've got cream, black, grey, stainless steel and blue. On the 1 metre, we've got black, cream and grey, and also on the 90. So I'm sure there'll be something there that will suit your style for your kitchen. Please take a look on the website where you'll see the colours and sizes available. Feel free to give us a call at the store if you need any more information. We're always happy to help.